Hi everyone, my name is Nika Kate Arroyo, and for today's video we're going to discuss static routing in Cisco Packet Tracer. So here we're going to put a 2 router, then switch, then 2 PCs, and next naman ay kailangan i-connect using copper straight through wire, PC to switch. So yan, i-connect naman natin from switch to router. Then, gamit tayo ng copper crossover from router to router. So, kapag na-connect na, punta tayo sa PC, desktop, then IP config, then mag-assign tayo ng IP address. Napili ko ay 192.168.1.1.2. Then, automatic magja-generate subnet, then assign tayo ng gateway. After that, proceed tayo sa PC1. Same thing lang, assign lang tayo. Then, default gateway, since automatic nag-generate yung subnet mask natin. So, after natin maglagay, punta tayo sa router, then CLI. Then, enable, config D. Then, interface, gigabit ethernet, 0/0 IP address. Lagay natin yung IP natin, main subnet mask. Then, shutdown lang natin. Then, exit tayo. Interface, gigabit ethernet, 0/1, then IP address ulit. And subnet mask. Then, shut lang ulit. And exit. Then, IP router, 192.168.2.0, then subnet mask. Then, end. Then, write memory. Then, next naman tayo sa kabilang router. Same thing lang gagawin natin. Ipabab 0. Then, shutdown. Then mag-interface, gigabit ethernet 0/1, then IP address. Then subnet mask. Then IP route 192.168.1.20, 255.255.255.0, 10.0.0.1, then end. Then write memory. So after nyan, balik tayo sa PC, then ipiping natin. Ping 192.168.2. So, nag-request timeout siya, then nagre-reply. Ulitin natin. Yan, nagre-reply na siya. Then, kabilang PC naman, ping 192.168.1.2. So, yan, gumagana siya. Nagre-reply siya. So, that's all in this video and thank you everyone for watching.